Heading back to the city where he'd been held against his will just a week ago, Ivory Coast Defence Minister pursued talks in Bouaké with mutinous soldiers' leaders on Friday. Reports quoting the troops' negotiators say an agreement's been reached on bonus payments, but there's been no confirmation of a deal from the government. Soldiers said they'd received none of the payments they'd claimed they'd been promised under an initial deal last weekend. They were reportedly ready to relaunch their mutiny. Elsewhere, gunfire broke out at two military camps in the commercial capital Abidjan, and renegade troops seized entrances to Korhogo in the north. They again sealed off Bouaké, where the backdrop to the talks brought reports of heavy gunfire outside and telephone networks shut down. Ivory Coast government has failed to reform the army significantly. The military includes soldiers who used to be on opposite sides in the country's previous internal conflicts. Divisions persist along with parallel chains of command.